This is my bathroom mirror. As you can see, it's really lopsided. This mirror has been in here since 2019. So I went ahead and marked my spot. So here's my first dot. And then here's my second dot. No! What the hell just happened though? Okay, so I went ahead and did my left screw and my right. I mean, they look pretty much even to me. All right, y'all, look at this. This is the finished product. I only used one screw here and one there. So now I'm gonna go and get some Windex and clean this dusty mirror. But like already, like I can just see, like it just looks so clean and like so nice already. Like it just makes my bathroom look classy. All right, so I'm officially done. I'm just gonna spray some Windex and clean. I don't like to use paper towels because I swear it always leaves like a weird streak.